Soundstripe. 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 Soundstripe.
After her multiple sclerosis diagnosis, Megan was told she would never regain the use of her limbs, and day to day she requires a wheelchair to move around.
There's a saying that if you don't use it, you lose it. And I thought I'd lost all the movement in my arms at all. But it wasn't until I got under the water and started having scuba therapy on a regular basis that my arms came back and I can actually use my arms.
The Scuba Gym is a therapy that looks out of this world, using a weightless environment to do a physical workout that for some would otherwise be impossible.
We're taking our clients, our divers, underwater and helping them in very specific exercises, depending on their diagnosis, to rewire their nervous system, to wake up the nervous system.
And the results are incredible. Megan's movements have improved dramatically at the bottom of the pool.
The first couple of sessions, she's saying, punch me, and I'm looking at her going, I can't. But then the last couple of sessions, I've had that much movement in my arms that I've been able to give her a swift hit.
Each time Megan comes, something new happens. She pushes herself even further, and we are there to help her to do that.
It's just so liberating and so exciting to be able to do something that you thought you'd lost forever.
Founder Lindy Leggett says it's not just those with a physical disability who are benefiting from the gym. Autistic people and people with Down syndrome are also responding to the treatment.
This is an incredible opportunity for those sorts of people with these disabilities to come and hang out with us underwater and have a lot of fun. We have such a ball with them underwater.
For more information, head to thescubagym.com.au. Jamie Peasley, NBN News.
NBN News, nightly at 6.